Hey guys, this is James with Freedom Rental Properties, and we're back at the 7K Duplex project for an update. Basically, I'm on the right side, how we usually start with J-Rock's crew still here. But as you can see here, we're actually starting to divide the units up, and we're getting our insulation in. We're gonna get that Firebreak Wall going. You see, we've demoed a lot out of here. Here's the first bedroom. We're trying to keep some of that drywall. We got new HVAC in here, new heat, new furnace. I'll show you the AC outside in a second. Here's the other bedroom. Still more of a break, more insulation. And here's our kitchen area. Not too much difference in the last, you all have seen it. But we got our concrete poured in the back. Here's the laundry room and the bathroom, and we said there. Okay, so this is all starting to dry. Guys are out today. Let it dry. We're gonna go slip through here to the other side. We got the same deal going on. I know this is dark, but laundry room, bathroom, not too much extra to show you there. I mean, it's pretty much the same. You know, kitchen, still getting more insulation in. We're putting insulation. You can see the pink up there, up in the top. We got electrical in on both sides. New furnace, bedrooms. We're back to the living room. I'm gonna show you the main thing that they've been working on though. We're gonna come out here to the front, and we got a new roof on this thing. New dimensional shingles. I'll maybe do a video sometime later about the difference between the different shingles, why I chose dimensional for this project. But you can see it up there. Take you around to the back. Looking pretty good. We got metal wrap. Took the gutters down, wrapped that in metal, and new AC. So yeah, everything coming along pretty good. Guys have been working really hard. They've ran through a few difficulties, but overall, shape was pretty good. And so we're gonna continue at the inside. Now we got the outside shored up. Be putting in some new gutters probably. Some bigger gutters. We wanna divert that water away from the back and toward the front of the property and out toward the street. So that's your update, guys. See ya. Check out 7K Duplex playlist if you want to see more, see where we started, where we're heading, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. It really does help us out. And if you want more tips and tricks on I'm out of breath. I need to go work out some more. But if you want to see more on rental properties and what we were doing to reach our financial freedom number, you know, hit that subscribe button. And we do videos pretty frequently to help you guys out. So see you later. 7K Duplex. There's your update.